Hi everybody, welcome to vlog. We are in quarantine day number 15,635,000 point, I don't know how many seconds. Okay, so it is today, Monday. It is April 13th. It is a holiday and I have no hot water in my house, in my condo. So the workout has been put off till later on today because apparently the water is supposed to come back later on today and I don't want to be walking around all sweaty. So workout has been put off. Filming has been done. This is a little bit of a disaster in my living room from filming. Some of it is already gone back over there. But yeah, I am not going out very much, so that's why the vlogs are here and there. If I do, we go for like little drives or little walks outside, and I don't think they're that interesting. I don't know. But yeah. Okay, so I did get some, I got some felts and I got some pencil crayons and I got this book to kind of just to kind of help me, well, not help me, but like just to have some fun. And it's, I haven't started yet. Let me see, The World of Flowers it's called. And I thought it would be kind of fun, stress relief to start coloring some of this. Other than that, there is absolutely nothing else going on. So now, see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, I am gonna put these clothes away. I'm gonna put these clothes away and I guess you can kind of watch what I'm doing. And yeah, a lot of my clothes I kind of fold and put away. And then a lot of them I hang up here. All clean, except for that guy. Gotta find a hanger. Hey guys, status update. I went to the park and I tried to do my workout there and it was an complete fail. So as you know, with physical or social distancing, physical distancing, they have closed off, just gonna set it down here, they have closed off all the parks, like soccer fields, basketball, all that kind of stuff, beaches, everything's closed, which is awesome. But now I got a really bad knee, and if I'm doing HIIT cardio, and it's a lot of jumping. And if I'm jumping up and down on surfaces that are not even, I am, okay, don't get mad at me for putting that on my voice. So if I'm jumping up and down on surfaces that are not even, I'm actually damaging my knee worse. So when this first started, I used to go, the gym's closed, I went to the track and I was doing fine, I was running, it was great. I loved doing my cardio, I was running, it was fine. Then one day, I don't know what happened, but I couldn't even walk, my knee was so bad. So since then, I've been doing some 10-minute cardio workouts here and then some, so I've added a 10-minute cardio workout, 10-minute HIIT ab workout, 10-minute arm workout, and today I was gonna add a 10-minute inner thigh workout. Well, because, and I do it in the morning, and because the hot water is out, I didn't want to do it right in the morning because then I would have to shower right in the morning, and that was not gonna happen because the water's freezing cold. So I did all my filming, did everything, and decided that it's a nice sunny day, why don't I just go to an isolated park and do my workout there, take my tablet and do it there. Well, that didn't go so well because first of all, I couldn't see the tablet because of the sun. Second, I couldn't go to a soccer field because that's the only fields that are actually flat surface that I can kind of do like the jumping jacks or like any sort of like lunges, jumping, anything to do with jumping. So those were closed. So when I went to the park, the field is not even, the surface isn't even. So I did my 10-minute, but it was a pain in the butt because literally I can do this cardio part in the 10 minutes like really fast. Like it's not that bad and I can grab my water bottle right away and it's like, okay, it's fine. Like it's, I don't get like huffing and puffing. Well, I do get huffing and puffing, but you know what I mean. My knees started hurting a little bit, but it's fine now. So I'm gonna continue on with the rest of my workouts at home because we have like a hardwood floor and it's even surface, so I'm gonna continue at home. So, just warmed up my coffee. I thought I would get some nice vitamin D at the same time while I'm doing that, but that ain't the case. So we are just gonna set everything up here at my usual location. My house is an absolute mess. Socks everywhere. What? Okay. So what's left is my ab, my arms, and my inner thighs. I was able to finish it all, but it just was not fun. That's not gonna happen again. So I need to actually put it all in one folder on what I like to do because I have it all in watch later and then I feel like I need to keep looking for it. So see, that's what I'm doing now. I gotta look for it again. So today is the 14th, Tuesday. And I've worked out, showered, put a load of laundry in, cleaned up a little bit, and now I'm gonna have some breakfast. And my breakfast usually consists of like 2 boiled eggs and some tea. And the plans for today are 0. No plans for today. None. Right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
We've got our collection of antibacterial stuff right here. And maybe, so the laundry's going. I'll clean that up today. Got like about, I'd say, 3-4 loads of laundry to do, so folding, all that kind of stuff. So yay, fun days. Anyways, my eggs are boiling, so I'm gonna eat and I will talk to you later. I guess I should show you this every day too. Outfit for today is white tee from Zara, and some track pants from Aritzia. And that's what we're wearing today, but we'll go through like 3-4 different changes before the end of the day.
Well, my outfit of the day.
Jordan shorts and an ugly t-shirt.
Hey!
Ugly t-shirt. All right. I'm gonna fold these clothes that I showed you earlier. These guys. Well, let's just pick them all up. Some of these I don't even wear. Like these jeans. I don't even wear anymore. Don't know why I have them. I don't know. It's like, to me, it's like shoes. I don't like to throw them away. That is my issue. Project number 265,000.
What?
Cleaning out the freezer. Oh, good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday. We skipped vlogging on Wednesday for some reason. We are starting the day off with this guy, which is a turmeric ginger with some little bit of lemon, little bit of orange shot. Let's see how this goes. So that is terrible. You really need to like throw that orange in your mouth before you swallow that drink. Oh. Okay, next. Coffee time.
Coffee time!